Welcome back to Bunny's English Adventures. Who do we have here today?
Hi, Bunny. My name's Max, and I want to learn how to greet people in English.
Nice to meet you, Max. Greetings are a big part of everyday conversation, and they help you connect with others. Are you ready to get started?
Absolutely, Bunny.
All right, let's start with some basic greetings. The simplest way to say hello is, well, hello or hi. Try it with me, Max. Let's say hello together.
Hello.
Great job. Now you can also say, hey, that's a bit more casual. Give it a try.
Hey.
Perfect. You've got it. Now, after saying hello, we often ask, how are you? It shows you care about the other person's well-being.
So I can say, how are you, after greeting them.
Exactly. And if you want to be a bit more casual, you can say, how's it going? Or what's up?
Oh, I've heard what's up in movies. It sounds cool.
Yes. It's a friendly, informal way to check in. So, Max, what's up?
Not much. Just learning with Bunny.
Ah, good one. You're getting the hang of it. Now, when someone asks how you are, it's polite to answer. Here are a few options. You could say, I'm good, thanks, or I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good, thanks.
Perfect. You can also be more specific, like, I'm doing great, or if you're a bit tired, you can say, I'm okay, just a bit tired. Let's try that.
I'm doing great.
Nice energy, Max. You're doing great indeed. After answering, it's polite to ask them back. You can say, how about you? Or and you to keep the conversation going.
Got it. So I could say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Exactly. Asking back shows you're interested in the other person. Sometimes people like to respond in a more casual way. Instead of I'm fine, you might hear I'm doing all right, or even not bad.
I'm doing all right.
Fantastic. Those are perfect for casual chats. To finish a greeting conversation, you could say, nice talking to you, or catch you later.
Nice talking to you, Bunny.
Nice talking to you too, Max. You did great today. That's it for today. Max, you've learned a lot of greetings and responses. Do you feel ready to try them out?
Definitely. Thank you, Bunny.
You're welcome. Remember to keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.